This is the front area. Uy, gilakan man, le! Ayaw, laki! Mag-house tour gani ko. Gilakan no ko. Talala, ha? Ako din naglak? Okay. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Dexter Canna, and if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button below, and if you would like and enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So for today's video, I will give you a quick empty house tour. Welcome. So today I will give you a quick empty house tour. Recently my mom expanded her business in this new area, and we thought it best to find a house that we can rent that's within the area so that it will be a lot easier and convenient for my mom. And we found this house. It's such a great blessing actually, because the actual owner goes to the same church as us, and she allowed us to rent this 3-story house with 4 bedrooms and 3 comfort rooms at a very affordable price, at a very low price. So today, we actually haven't moved in yet, so the house is still empty. I'm just here with my friend because we wanted to clean the house first so that it will be ready for my family to move in. So yeah, let's go. Let's do this. So this is the front area. Uy, gilakan man, le! Ayaw, laki! Mag-house tour gani ko. Gilakan no ko. Hi! This will serve as the living room. So we placed that there because we took off the curtain, and then we placed that for the meantime para lang na ay mag-cover. So yeah, this also has an area here. As you can see, we're still painting the house. I think this area will place the TV and all that, and then here the couches and all that. So if you're asking, we put this here because me and my friend are sleeping here. The rooms are not ready yet. So for the meantime, we placed that there. That will be the whole living area. This will be the dining room and the kitchen. So there's one room here in the ground floor. This room, as you can see, very empty. It's not ready yet. And then there's one comfort room right here. So, I'll not tour you around the comfort room kay dirty pa. Here in the second floor, there's only one room, the master's bedroom. So this is the only room here in the second floor. So this is the master's bedroom. Actually, it's like a condominium unit. So as you can see, there's a sink here. I don't know if... okay. Done by a water. And the view. Look at that view. Wow. So yeah, you can put a table here, some equipment, and then here's the bedroom in the master's room. So this is the bedroom. As you can see, it's still empty, and there are a few things that we need to fix. We still have to continue painting this area. There's also a comfort room here. Now, very dirty pa. So yeah, the master's bedroom is like a condominium unit or like a studio unit. Okay, to the third floor. So here in the third floor, there are two rooms. The first room is this one. So this is the first room here in the third floor. As you can see, we still have to fix a few things. And there's a terrace here. Uy, dalawa sa akin. Let's go to the next room. There's a small space here. I am thinking we'll make this basta since gamay na sala-sala here. The third room is this one. Still need a lot of fixing. It also has a terrace, which has a larger space than the other one. This is where I do my TikTok, you guys. Init. This has one comfort room also. And then the best thing about this area is it has a big space for rooftop deck for parties and all that. So this is one of my favorite areas. Wow! Yeah. So this area you can have parties. So this area you can hold parties, like birthday parties or housewarming party, whatever. We still need to fix this place also. There's a lot of things to do, but I praise God because this is a big house. It has a big area, but we're renting it at a very affordable price, and I thank God for that. It's such a blessing. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.